And if you find what you like in that text area, you just simply reply to it. In this time, let's type like call and type click a pass button. After it's posted, you will see all replies in this area. And if you reply to it, you and this person are already connected. You can check all friends here, and we call it a vertical test in this page. And on blog.com, you don't need any friend request to accept them. Everything goes so automatic, and if you reply, you are already friends. Okay, let's move on to our iPhone application. Oh, okay. Yeah. So we actually have the iPhone application, and we had a video, but it's still have so I can show you if you interested in after like this session. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
We'll reset the clock. You can talk, and then we'll take some questions.
Okay. Good. Yeah.
Just went off. Okay, so let's take some. We're going to patch that out. So, any questions for Drop before you have a question?
How do you find drops that you think you might be interested in?
Now we don't have that this kind of function right now. You can see all the blobs right now, and you cannot choose right now. If you right click button, you can see randomly. And we are planning to implement that function after that. Maybe 1 or 2 months later, we will implement it. We are planning to.
So right now, it kind of, I guess it just ties into that question, but it seems like a global chat room at this point.
Yeah.
So it might get a little hectic.
Okay. The difference between the global, random chat and blob is
you want me to talk? The global chat, our difference. One of the biggest difference should be the thing that we only see the drop one by one. And the drop will not be visible after 24 hours after it's posted. Also, once you wipe it, you won't see it again. There's very like it creates very transmitting and that's all I can say for now.
if you join and use it, maybe you can feel the difference.
So there's some might be struggling with the concept of wiping a drop.
Mhm.
I'll just leave it at that. Sorry, that wasn't funny. So you guys built this for SF New Tech. You want to get in front of people before they get on Facebook or before they follow somebody on Twitter. How are you going to find all these people? Where are they going to find Drop?
Actually, we just started last month, and we didn't advertise. I didn't promote anything. But many people try to post about us on Facebook, on blog, and we now have about just like 150 test users, but we didn't do anything. So it's good. And people from Germany, people from Spain, people from Japan, or people from China. Many people from all over the world is using it right now. So we're kind of surprised at how that mouth-to-mouth marketing is working right now. And we believe we can do and we can more enhance the mouth-to-mouth marketing stuff.
Questions? I see here.
Yeah. So it looks to me that you kind of, whether or reinforce weak social links using kind of like soundbites or small comments that people can comment on to reinforce the connection. So I see the kind of kind of like a weak social value in that somewhat. But what would be the business around it?
Okay. Let me see. Right now, it's like .com is we don't have any direct message function because we do it on purpose. We just want people to talk here, and then move to the Facebook or Twitter. So this is just a place to meet or just talk on first. And you can see that you can see the text over there, and that text we feel something. That text can do an advertisement, or that text can do something. So we still don't know, but we believe it has something. And sorry, I couldn't complete that question.
And I assume you guys are here looking for funding?
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. We just came here for tonight from Japan.
Let me pose this, actually, this is an honest question. So, is the venture community not quite as robust in Japan? Obviously, there's a lot more going on here, but is it that much harder to crack the Japanese funding market?
Yeah. We still didn't contact any investor in Japan yet, but some investors are interested in us and they talk to us. But I feel like they're more focusing on how they can monetize. And so I have to explain business plan or revenue model. I think it's important, but I feel it's more like it's hard for me now. So I believe the US has more, what can I say?
You're here to that. All right, guys, it looks like we're out of time, so thank you very much for joining. All right, guys, we're up to the very last demo of the evening. And you guys, is everything's all rebooted and ready to go? So what does Gango mean? It means language. Excellent.
Gengo is Japanese for word language, so my language.
All right, so you're ready?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's hit it. Thank you.
So I have 5 minutes, so I'm going to tell you 5 things about my Gengo. So the first thing is why we started the company, and then I'm going to show you 3 of the products that we have, and then I'm going to say how we actually deliver translation to our customers. So we started the company because I was running a web agency in Japan, and because of that I had to do a bunch of translations. And what we actually found out was that getting a translation of something as simple as a tweet was often as complex as getting a translation for a legal document, which is kind of crazy, right? So what we wanted to do was create something that would get over this problem. And the existing offerings that were available at the time was really machine translation on the right-hand side. So actually you can't see it, can you? Anyway, machine translation by Google Translate, which is actually free and instant, but the quality is never good enough to actually run a company off. On the other hand, you had the existing players, big companies with big project management fees, big kind of long setup costs, and neither of them were really ideal for everyday content. So what we did was we created a service called Gengo, and the first product was Translate. And Translate is a consumer-oriented service where you come onto the website and you can choose to translate your document. So you can choose what languages you want to translate from, so for instance English to Japanese, and then you can choose one of our levels, so for instance standard level is 5 cents a word, that's about 70% cheaper than any translation company at the time. Then you can upload documents like PowerPoint document, a Word document, or you can simply